Hey guys, Monkey Muff here with my brother. He's got a YouTube channel if you want to check it out. It's Magical League. He doesn't really upload, but I mean, it's there, so if you want to check it out. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.
Look at his lips!
I guess Subway Challenge, it's going to be a competition who can eat a 12-inch sub the fastest. They are different in a way, but they're pretty much the exact same thing. We have, as you can see, a little stopwatch. So we're just going to hit start, and then when you're finished and mouse empty, you're going to hit lap, and that'll be your time, and we'll show you at the end. I'll also pop up like something on the screen saying the time, and there's a cat climbing right fucking here because he wants a Subway. But yeah, so this is the challenge. We're gonna start, I guess,
Whenever you're ready.
Whenever, kind of
Right.
5.
Okay,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Really, nigga? You good?
Wow. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Jeez, it's already been a minute. Oh man, I did 2 minutes 57 seconds, and this kid thought he was gonna beat me. Come on, man, you gotta finish it. Come on, come on. Clean yourself up, don't worry. So that was the Subway challenge. Once he's done, we'll stop the timer. I haven't asked you to fall. Come on. Come on. So I did 2 minutes 57 seconds. He did it in 3 minutes 22 seconds. Might be a little hard to see. Maybe it'll focus, but it's there. That's his time. So, yeah, that was our Subway challenge of eating as fast as you can. Any more challenge you have, comment them down below. I have a surprise challenge coming soon. Some people may know about it, but it's going to be really good. But any other challenges, comment, leave a like, subscribe, share with your friends. Any of that, I appreciate it very much. Check out my brother's YouTube channel, Magic of League. And thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye. Fuck, that was hard, bro.